All right, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with my boy Machi. What's up, man?
Shit, another day, another dollar.
Another day,
And
another
1% better, man. That's about
Okay.
it. So
All right, guys, I'm doing fine, man. Crypto's the thing right now, so just gonna keep like,
might as well.
yeah, talk about like some of the information we know, share it back to the public, to like anybody that's new and starting, etc. So today, what's up?
I do have a question. Do you think crypto can be labeled as addictive as drugs nowadays? Out of curiosity.
Honestly, I feel like the media might portray that. You might see like a little Vice News like clip of like there are different people that they interview, be like, yo, this person got addicted to crypto. I think I've seen that for like the previous 2017 bull market.
I did.
Because there were actually people that actually got addicted to crypto.
It reminds me of the Robin Hood story. You remember the kid who was like 22, 23? He somehow went in the hole $300,000 off of Robin Hood and he committed suicide.
Oh.
So, all that to say, set your stop loss. All right, set your stop loss.
Yeah,
take profits.
It's definitely not fun going too far with certain things. Like some people may see it as like gambling and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, I feel like if you're a critical thinker, you're a critical investor, because that's really what most people see as instead of like gambling. If you got like a strong, solid amount in your head, you should be fine with investing in crypto for the long run. So today, what we really wanted to do is just give our perspective on some of the applications we use, the strategies we actually use to purchase crypto, transfer crypto, etc. So just jumping into it, Machi, what are your, I'll say, top 3 places to actually like invest, buy, or whatsoever?
So the first one I ever used was Coinbase. Coinbase was pretty simple, straightforward. I mean, kind of sending from one wallet to another was very straightforward as well. Gas fees are straightforward on there, and they're not like overpriced. So I appreciate Bitmart for what it does. I guess the other area that I use to really own my crypto is Bitmart. Bitmart has a wide array of coins, and the reason I like that one is because you can transfer in from BTC, Ethereum, USD or USDT, and you can convert your coins. So
Right there on the exchange.
Right there on the exchange. So like, if I wanted to go buy Ripple with my BTC, then I can just go in and hit a few buttons, and now I have Ripple instead of taking my BTC, converting it into USD, then taking my USDT, and then going to buy XRP. So
word.
And
let me ask you this: are they US friendly? Bitmart? Do you need like VPN to log in?
You don't need to go to Japan or London or Seoul, anything like that. You can. It's very access and user friendly, and you also. I like their verification process too, because it is 2-step verification, as well as it'll just log your ass out if it suspects that you logged in from a different IP. Well, the IP,
gotcha.
like if you switch off of Wi-Fi, or if you're on Wi-Fi, switch off. Now the IP is like a different IP than you were using before with the app itself. So Bitmart's number 2, and number 3, man, it's not the best way to own your crypto, but Robinhood. I mean, like, Robinhood, I'm hoping that they engineer a wallet, because once they start engineering a wallet and coding the wallet, now you're a distributor for real crypto. And I just have high hopes for it. But what about you?
I'll say, all right, Crypto.com is one of like my main one, because that's one of the first one I sort of like started with. Really just dollar cost averaging into crypto. Like, it's really easy. You can use your debit card on there. maybe not the best idea, but there's other ways you can transfer funds into crypto.com. But to me, it was one of the easiest way. They also got sort of like a credit card system they got with the crypto.com card.
Right.
You can earn like interest on that as well. I don't have like one of the top cards or whatnot. I just got like a basic one. Honestly, I don't really use it, but crypto.com is one of the main platforms because it had most of the coins that other exchanges did not carry. And some coins, honestly, you got to go on places like Uniswap to like, you know, find a specific coin that's new or something like that.
Yeah.
And it's a whole lot of toss up, but crypto.com for like the main coins, top, you know, 20 coins, you can say, they're there. It's easy to invest in right then and there. Use your card whatsoever. And then it also has a DeFi wallet. It has a decentralized institutional wallet. And there you got a private key to like put your crypto on with the DeFi wallet. So that was kind of like one advantage that I give crypto.com for that. Second one, I'll say Binance US. Binance US got some of the coins as well over there.
VPN Unlimited.
But honestly, I really like Binance regular worldwide as well.
Shout out CZ.
CZ, worldwide Binance. It's an exchange. You can actually like get into like leverage trading on Binance as well. Yeah, so on the app right then and there, and then you could just buy, hold crypto on Binance as well. And just like I'll say crypto.com, Binance, the layout on the app and the website is really like easy to get around. It's not anything like rocket science. Like your basic person can go in there and just like see what to purchase, buy, etc. It's really easy put together. So Binance was kind of like dope for that. And then for a third one, I'll say Uniswap actually, because Uniswap is one of that decentralized application that actually, you know, you could buy crypto not necessarily with your debit card. You may need your address, your Ethereum address, your Bitcoin address, etc., to like, you know, purchase into a coin and hold it specifically on the Uniswap network, or you can transfer that coin to like another wallet like a MetaMask or something like that. But Uniswap usually carries like, I don't want to say all the coins, but like they mainly have like a whole lot of coins. Like any new projects that usually come out, you can catch them on Uniswap. CoinGecko is one of them as well. But Uniswap is like part of that top 3 for me. Yep.
Going back into, because you mentioned earning interest on your crypto, and recently the SEC came out against Coinbase on presenting, what was it, 4% interest back to the user on their crypto holdings, on their USDT crypto holdings. So what are your thoughts behind pretty much government regulation and the common person owning and earning interest on their crypto like they would if their money was just sitting in a bank? Because the bank, you earn interest on your coin, but at the same time, like, you're earning 0.0001%.
Like a really small amount.
Exactly, especially with inflation going up. So like with Coinbase offering 4% cash or interest back on your cash or your USDT crypto holdings or USDC crypto holdings, I feel like that opens up.
And in the crypto world, those are actually low numbers on how much they're giving you back.
Right. Because I mean, 4% move for me.
Yeah, it's a whole lot. Yeah,
it's
depending on liquidity, guys. You're like, how much you got? Like,
exactly.
4% move on like $100,000 is still like a lot of money.
Like that's all you need at the end of the day. You know what I mean? Give me my 3%.
I would say, like, honestly, the SEC and the guys, they've been like battling crypto for a minute now. Same stuff going on with Ripple right now with that SEC not a lawsuit they got going on, it's their investigation with Ripple going on. But the thing that I realized like a couple of days ago, this is not new. They've been investigating Ripple since like 2014.
Yeah.
So it's just like getting closer and closer to like an agreement. At the end of the day, it's not something that they can like really control. So like the banks is really disruptive to them right now with like the earning interest on crypto for like different system like Gemini. They got a system too where you can earn interest on your crypto. Crypto.com does the same thing as well with API. It's just that the banks like they gotta either like figure out a solution to like open the door to their clients to really like give them more percentages on how much they can earn on their US and I hope it's US dollar kryptonized because you can earn interest like the interest they give you on your US dollar is like you said 0.0001 yearly. What's that?
Well, I'm wondering if they're gonna because the digital dollar is coming out, but we don't know what we don't know if the digital dollar has the same value as a $1 bill. You know, because like a $1 bill right now, you can go and buy I don't know what you can buy with $1 right now, but you know, I don't know if that's gonna translate to the same influence.
Or Bitcoin, they can open up for Bitcoin and crypto if they want.
But it's not stable. That's not as stable as you know.
I get what you're saying.
Like Tether is stable. USDC is stable. You know, I forget any other stable coins, but if you put your money into a stable coin, you shouldn't see that much fluctuation.
Mm-hmm.
But if your stable coin is now in the position to earn interest, I'm wondering if they're going to use that same idea for the digital dollar. Like, it doesn't take us as much time and resources to give this person 2%, you know, interest on their digital dollar. Now that we have, you know, the algorithms doing the work, but that would kind of go against the traditional banking system
way. Yeah, they gotta like. Honestly, I think that I was seeing something like on like Twitter. Somebody made like a compilation of like these governmental officials like repeating the same thing as far as in like make things bigger, better, or whatnot. It was like a slogan they had going on. I was gonna tie this into like, so I kind of like lost my train of thought. All right, the credibility of the U.S. dollar, I feel like it's gonna have to like build itself up, because once the
credibility,
yes, the crypto U.S. dollar.
Oh, okay, all right, my bad. 'Cause I was like, damn. You got
U.S. Dollar Tether now, you got USDC, but then you also got Bitcoin where you can just invest in, and then it's volatile, but it's volatile in the upward direction for every year. So it's up to you. But what I mean by the credibility about the kryptonized US dollar is people gotta like, you know, adjust and systemize into it and really like give it value to where the banks can be like, all right, we're gonna give you guys like 5% and 8% APY on your US dollar kryptonized, and then it has its own value and following to it that, you know, it increases over time. Hopefully by that time, you know, the US is pretty open about their crypto relations. We know it's gonna happen. It's just that it takes time for, you know, bigger countries like the United States, the one biggest country in the world, to like actually say, all right, we fully gonna like get behind this. So there's a lot of things that get behind the scenes, but for now, it's in the bank's best interest to say, all right, let's have the conversation at least about crypto. If you don't, then you got, you know, Ukraine ahead of you, you got El Salvador ahead of you, you got every other country, you got China. They got their yen out, the kryptonized. So they're like, all right, y'all just, you know, catch up. So
I was thinking of Charles Schwab and J.P. Morgan with their move into the cryptoverse, because it wasn't a we're gonna buy crypto to lend to our investors. It was more so we're gonna make it into an ETF so that now you're in the ETF is a exchange tradable fund, which basically it encapsulates various cryptos, and then from there it doesn't hit at your portfolio as hard as if you went all in on Ethereum or all in on Bitcoin or all in on Litecoin and stuff like that. Now you can own an ETF of the crypto through these traditional banking systems. So I'm wondering if that's the first layer of adoption. Gotcha. And then what the second layer of adoption is, because the true ownership is your private keys and that wallet and your smartphone. Like your smartphone is now the bank.
Yeah.
And I wonder how they're going to continue to market ownership into the crypto market, especially for the older generations. That's the ones that are just like, I got too much to lose because I'm thinking about retirement. I'm thinking about, making money still, and then I'm thinking about how to pay off these loans or this mortgage and stuff like that. So it's a little more risky than for the older generation than for us, like 25 and younger, or 20, 28 and younger, even 30 and younger, getting into crypto, because for one, we all don't have full families, we all don't have a shit ton of expenses, but we have enough freedom that will grant us the ability to say, okay, from this check I can invest 100, 200, 300 each time that I get paid out, in order for me to kind of build my stronghold into this dollar cost averaging, as you were saying. So just anybody watching, you just have to be kind of embracive towards the risk aspect of what crypto brings, because you're gonna lose money. You're gonna lose money, but you have to lose money to make money sometimes, or not even lose money to make money, but risk money in order to make money.
You might even lose money on the short term.
Exactly.
But it's proven throughout history that if you hold it for more than 5-10 years, you're always in profit with crypto.
I would be in a different status if I would have held from 2017. You know what I mean? Like I've learned over the years. You know what I mean?
But to answer your question about Charles Schwab, because last year I actually went there to actually open an account with him, and I was strictly wanted to talk about crypto and not anything else, because I knew where to go buy stocks. If I wanted to buy stocks, I did not need Charles Schwab to give me a broker for me to pay out the broker to show me strategies. Because go to Robinhood, get a couple of TAs from somebody that's been doing it for years that people can trust and follow through. So our generation now is kind of a little different with how we do our investments and who we go to. Charles Schwab's, JP Morgan, and all those big guys, they have a bigger hold on I'd say the financial system. So it's a lot of older generations is really holding it to all right, if we going in, we going in with $10 trillion, they can do that. They have that capital. So for us with crypto right now, the best interest for companies like that, if they really want to stay around for next 50, 100 years, they're gonna have to adjust to what's going on right now, obviously, because you got somebody earning 12% on the crypto, and then your bank's requiring a membership, $10,000 deposit to earn 2% on this. It's you're out of business within since COVID. A lot of shambles right now.
True.
So they gotta adapt to it pretty fast, and I did see that happening with the broker in there. I did ask him hey, what are you guys' plans on crypto right now? We went in the back rooms drawing me some ETFs actually, and I'm all right, do you have any ETF that's crypto related? Nah, they had ETF that are technology related.
Right.
All right, so it's slowly getting in there. They haven't introduced the blockchain there yet, but I feel like eventually they're gonna like open up the door for that, because if they look around them, like all their buddies and friends are like really adapting to that. So
no, I feel that. For all the listeners out there, I would like to hear what your favorite crypto is. Also, comment, share, like, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit up Motion on YouTube, on Instagram, man.
Organic Thoughts as well.
Yeah, man. Check us out.
One more thing.
Yeah.
Easiest strategy to like invest in crypto in like a short 30 seconds. Like, what's your go-to strategy to like invest for like short-term?
My go-to strategy is whenever I get paid, you know, I'll put something in. I'll put 20% of my paycheck or less into crypto, and then I use the other 80% for, you know, various means. But for that 20%, now if I'm feeling aggressive, I might go 70. But you know, if I gotta understand the news that I'm hearing, because you wanna buy the news and sell the rumor, you know.
But also, you're well seasoned in crypto though. If you do like a 70 percent crypto, for you that's fine. For somebody else, like if you go 70 in, they don't know, they put 70 in on Litecoin.
So the way that I preface that is I've picked my winners, and I stick with my winners, and now I'm branching into a new space, which is what are they gonna be because I understand what the winners are in crypto right now, like the regular cryptoverse. You know, I got some of these are gonna be arguable, but you got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ripple, and Binance Coin. Those are pretty much the heavy hitters right now. Shiba Inu gets arguable, but for the NFT space, now I'm looking at Ether or Ethereum 2.0, which you can stake right now. If y'all don't know that, you can actually have a staked value in Ethereum 2.0 before it drops. As well as Solana. Solana is something that I've really been interested in, because they're the only other crypto that has a platform that backs NFT purchases with another crypto besides Ethereum. Because to exchange Solana is a lot cheaper than to exchange Ethereum right now, gas fee wise. And gas fees are basically like taxes, for anybody that doesn't know, tax towards your purchase. But that's just how I'm looking at it. I'm like, who's gonna win the NFT space? Who's gonna be the first one? Who's gonna be the second? Who's gonna be the third? And then from there, you know, I'm like, all right, Cardano is as well. They are getting into NFTs a little bit in smart contracts. So those are about the 10 to 11 that I look at. Now, when it comes to the other altcoins, Godspeed.
They're just kind of out there.
You know, I'll get some millions of them and keep them to the side. But you know, and it's not crazy to get a couple million coins out here, guys. So you know, it's very doable. And then if that pops off for you, to the moon, you know what I mean? But same question for you. What are the ones that, or what is your strategy?
Yeah, my strategy is like dollar cost average. The converting the salary into crypto is something I've been doing for like at least since last year. So I'm just gonna stick to doing that, because it has proven me over time and over the months that, especially in the bull market, that whatever I put in at the end of the day, a couple of weeks after, a couple of months after, I'm always in profit. So with bigger institutions being involved, with the space like sort of having like a longer bull run, seems like it's just in my best interest to like convert like at least, I'm a little aggressive. I'll probably put about 40-50% of my earnings in like my top 2 cryptos and then move on from there.
That's fair.
So that's like my strategy, like weekly on a monthly basis. as far as like I'll say like top 2 right now is just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Honestly, the rest of them, XRP as well, just because like the banks just like dealing with it. Yeah, Cardano got the smart contract platform and the rest of them as well. But like the 2 OGs, we know like what's going on right now is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So for the short term, at least, I can like dollar cost average into that, get some returns, and then come back in profit.
No, I feel that. What is the one crypto that you are looking forward to see how it performs and then further invest in?
Honestly, VeChain. Oh, that I'm not invested in.
That you're not invested in.
Oh.
Or okay, one that you are invested in, and one that you're not invested in.
All right, one that I'm not invested in is Dogecoin. Okay. Dogecoin, I missed out on the boat. I did not invest in Dogecoin like at the right time, and I just took it for like a complete joke.
I mean, it was. Like,
it's not anymore though. Like, it seems like the community got a hold of it.
Yeah, we got a.
It seems like something going on with Shiba Inu as well with that. So I'll say Dogecoin. That I don't absolutely hold zero Dogecoin, but I actually want to see like it hit $1, $2. Just to be like, yo, this is crypto, you know?
Yeah.
Also, one that I'm invested in is XRP. So my main Bitcoin, Ethereum, but then I'm pumped up about XRP because I'm involved with the drama. I want to see what the SEC got going on, what they're gonna say to Ripple. Like, are they gonna give them a pass? Like, what's going on? Like, once that happens, seems like Ripple's gonna blow apart, and I got some good bags in there. Looking forward to see what happens after that. So yeah.
Hashtag leverage.
Leverage. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. Like Machi said earlier, where can it find you on social media, etc.?
Y'all can hit me up on Instagram at Machi_pro10. Also Apple Podcasts, Organic Thoughts. We're also on Spotify, Google Podcasts. You can catch me and Troy. He's the co-host for the show as well. So yeah, man, we're just trying to stay in motion and live organically.
Yes,
so
sir.
y'all tune in.
All right, guys. See you guys on the next video. Ciao.